Guys, I'm sorry I was talking without. I think I'm audible now. Okay, so good. I was talking without the mic on. So yeah, the market is at a day's high. I feel the reason is very simple: the price action, which we can see. And if you see, don't go to this Nifty stocks and check. Even there, you can find that. So this is actually a very good place to bet on selling the market. It, you can use minimum quantity and then go it, or else with proper stop loss you can do it. I hope the internet doesn't give out today. Let's see. I'm hoping to see the market where let's say from here we do this. Which one is this? Short position. Okay, we'll see from here at least. Okay, come on here. Okay, at least till here we are seeing. My expectation is for days low, but let us see. Let us hope the market comes till here at least. Okay, and stop loss should be, sorry, come on here. This is problem with not touch screens. Hmm. Okay, so let us see where it actually goes. Come on, people, help me something with buying a good laptop. Hopefully, if you find something good and informative from my videos, I hope you will do that. But anyway, uh, so yeah, let's see if the market reaches this level. Broadly speaking, the market's upward movement today is because the prices were at very low. So the market, no, and if you also see the price action, it okay, we'll see to which extent it will go. So the reason we believe the market may come to this level is because you can see that this thing one is level here, and there are a good number of buyers sitting there. So the market may come down to frustrate these buyers, and but this is actually not 100% confirmed move. It can be, but it should happen. That's what I am anticipating, and we'll see if it reaches this level. No, even if reaches to somewhere this level, that's a good no, that should be a good number of points. If you're doing at ATM, we only wish that we pray that the movement is whatever movement we see, it's quick. In between, guys, if you see my live is stuck or something, no buffering, uh, please excuse me. That's because of my bad internet and also the laptop I'm using. Um Maybe it could be some problem with that. I'll see soon if I can afford a new laptop, a good one, a better one, I would say. See, these things we learn, we see, keep seeing that again and again that the market goes for stop loss hunting, no price action, everything. But how do we find that is important, right? So if we are sitting in the market, right, for from morning till evening, this is what happens is at every place, like for example, you see this level. Even this level looks like a potential level for PE, and even this level, right? So it will be actually very confusing. But if we are lucky enough to, like, either miss these timelines, or if we wait till this this point, that's actually a good thing, that so that we can actually enter at the right place or something. Okay, if I was little early, I would have told you, like, no, this is the right place to enter. But I was late. By the time I set up everything, it was late. But anyway, I hope, see, there is this fear of, after doing this breakdown, the market may go again up here. What happens there is, we will end up losing the premiums. So that's the only problem, that's the only issue I see. Okay, so other than that, I am quite confident that market would come down. We'll see. Let me play some music meanwhile. Anyways, the market is moving. I'm sorry, guys. Let me just. Hopefully, this will not affect my live stream. Let's see. Okay, we'll play this. Okay, yes, that's good. Okay, now where were we? Yes. Okay. See, this is what this is what creates panic in the traders. And there's one more thing I've been trying to tell from last 2 days. And, wanted to make a video also, but unfortunately, my work doesn't allow me to spend more time. See, places like this where we are not sure and uncertain, and if we are running with low capital, it is always better to use either OTM or or less quantities. Okay, so that will give us confidence, one thing. Second thing is, save us from the loss. Imagine you and me both are trading. I'm trading with, let's say, 1 lakh rupee, and you are also trading with the same amount. But if I go on buying 10 lots and you bought just one lot, with 10 or 15 points, or 10-15%, we can say, I would see a huge loss, and then I want to exit the trade, right? And on the other hand, if you are doing one or two lots only, then you can wait till 50% stop loss. Still, you will be exiting the trade with much loss than me. Okay, yeah, profit also, it can be very less, but profit is good, but loss is very bad, right? That's what I was trying to say. Just a moment, guys. I just put it in mode. Yeah, guys, so this is great. We have at least reached the point we thought, like, at least till here. That point we have reached. That's good. But we have to reach to the level where we actually thought initially. So let's wait and see. The, okay, there is this upside momentum happening right now. We will see. So it's exactly at 50 and 20 MA. So we'll see what happens here. So this is classic example of price do not move in no, one straight line always, right? So when no, this kind of things we see, there is more probability of no price moving in the other direction, right? So this exactly this place. So this momentum what is happening here. So that's a good sign of no, now we can expect the price to move in our side. Let's see. I guess we have to wait and see because this particular place it's very confusing. It's confusing both the sellers and buyers, I think. So if there are, I think this looks like kind of buying area. That's why I think we should wait further. We'll wait and see. Okay. I hope we do not hit stop loss. So if that is the case, then fine. If we do not hit the stop loss till 3:30, that is fine. But I'm hoping that this should happen before 3. We'll wait and see. If anyone watching this video finds it really useful, makes any sense, or if it doesn't make any sense, please let me know. But if it is really helping you out, please do consider supporting the channel. It will be really great. I need your support to keep up this channel, and only I also need to work on things, get things done so that I can come live regularly and trade together. I would like to also trade simultaneously while being live, so that I do not encourage anyone to take the trades based on it, but what I am trying to do is analyzing the chart and telling you from which point how the chart reacts to that, right? That's exactly we are trying to do. So based on that, I would like to take the trades, and please nobody take any trades based on the chart analysis I'm doing, because it may go wrong 100 times. I cannot guarantee that. Nobody can guarantee that. And also there is a lot of latency in internet. I can see that it's taking close to 5 to 10 minutes, anywhere between 5 to 10 minutes, right? So it really is it makes no sense for me to tell you to go with this live this thing. I can discuss about levels. I can discuss about till where the market may reach. Okay, it's always may, the chances. Okay, it's never guaranteed. So yeah, I will try to take the trades simultaneously. Please do support the channel. Share it with your friends if possible. If anyone feel that it's really worth it, please do support the channel through the UPI ID as mentioned. Yeah, so let's wait and see. time and again it's giving us these tiny strokes. Now, imagine if we are we trading on big capital and expecting, keeping our target set. So, seeing the profit fluctuating like this would definitely give us some real health issues. So that's the whole point, like trying to keep the trading stress free as much as possible, and trying to make it as as healthy as possible, like sit in front of your laptop or screen or any screen for maybe an hour or two, and then take your trades and get up from there. So that's the whole point of this thing. That's exactly one more point why I cannot come live from morning till evening. But if I have to make it kind of professional, then I have to sit. I understand that, but right now that's not the priority. But whenever I see this kind of opportunities, definitely I would like to come. So if you're sitting in front of your trades, please consider keeping keeping the YouTube channel notifications on. And I mean, in case if you want to see any trades happening. I don't know, for some reason I'm so nervous today. Okay. Okay. The premiums are going. Yes, if it is ATM, then yeah, even ATM has some effect on this time delay. Uh, this ITM okay, but mostly we don't trade on ATMs and OTM, right? Especially me, I trade on OTMs. So we have to be careful. We have to take a decision here to either to exit or stay in the trade. Just for the purpose of this analysis, we assume that we be on this trade. If we be on this trade, we'll see what will happen. It's going to be 250, so I have to be really careful. There can be some crazy movement happening around this time, because these days it is normal to see the momentum is happening before 3 o'clock, and close to 3:15 again. So yeah, this is between 3 and 3:15. Most of the times we do not see any big movements happening. So I guess we have gone back to 2022, right? So this is what happening during 2022. 3:15 or 3:20 was the time. So we'll wait and see. But if I am putting my money here in huge quantities, I would not risk more. I would exit at least half of the quantities. This doesn't feel so good, man. Yeah. So this more momentum we are seeing, it can actually take the market towards upper side. So yeah, we may see a possible no, stop loss there. Chances are there, not sure. The price action which is making either to fool the traders or it's really going to go up. Can't say, but we have to track. Like I said, if we have to be no smart enough, we would exit some of the quantities here. But we will see if the price reaches to that level. See, whole point of having these levels should be that I think the levels it has come till here. uh, Let me just show you. Till this level it has come. Okay, from there it is taking this bounce back. This is the moment, guys. The EMA formation which I can see is actually telling us the price should go up from here, but we will stick to our previous analysis. Otherwise, from here the market price should go up. That's what it should be. We'll see. Our initial analysis is correct, or this analysis works out, right? Let's wait and see. Well, this looks like actually the feels like price action versus uh, indicators. Let's see who's going to win this war. Till now, God, it looks like price action is going to win, but we'll see. See, the price is at some level. Okay, I don't know if that is a strong level or a weak level, but there is looking at the previous price movements at that place, it does look like weak. No, for today that's a weak level there, but also it's a level. It's basically a level, so it's in the same place, right? So we don't know. Only market can tell us like where the price would go. We'll have no clue about this, but our best this thing was as per our previous chart formation, we thought the price would go down from here, But we have to see if it goes up, the price goes up or goes down, or it remains in that range sideways. We don't know. Uh, So for people who trade in 5 minutes candle, yes, it looks like it broke the no this thing um, trend line, but it is still at a place where we cannot be like sure about this. The market movement is beautiful today. Did you see like how beautifully it has gone from here to here? Okay, yeah, even in this regard we can say that the price may come to this level. We can predict that, we can assume, or we still have 3 minutes for this candle to close in 5 minutes time frame. Let's see what does 3 minutes time frame say, tell us. Within 3 minutes, if we see, it's below 20 EMA, and even the EMA is at no pointing moving downwards. That's a positive sign of negative price. See, like I said, this is the most I can say annoying place where time where we don't know if the market goes up or down. If you see between 3 and oh, okay, guys, so internet is connected again. Okay, so sorry for that this thing. So yeah, this is basically a place, a zone where the price is confusing the traders. The smart money has found a way to like confuse people. I think this is the place where I think even if the smart money is trying to decide which way to go, I'm sure that their plan is already executed, but we don't know what happens. We'll see. A quick movement towards downside, for at least for my viewers, make them happy. I will pray for that. We'll see, there is time till 3:30, right? So we still have 10 more minutes, 10 minutes, right? Yeah, 20 minutes. So wait and see, man. Whenever I trade, I honestly, I'll say, so stressful it will be here to see the price like moving up and down. We have no clarity, no clue. So this is one more reason why people like me try to spend their time. See, we need our presence on YouTube, that is for true. We try to make something out of YouTube, that is true. We cannot say no to that. Right now my channel is like very new and very small, that I do not make anything out of it, and that's one more reason why I'm not able to spend more time on this. but soon we will try to do that. The point is, when everyone is trading, there is this pressure built up in everyone. Okay, so whatever we think, the analysis we do, with the minimum or a little capital we have, it'll be so difficult for us to even no stick to the plan, right? So emotions change and psychology change everything. Because of that, we may take wrong trades, and we may wait for bigger losses than exiting in the small loss. So all these things happen. But when I'm not trading and I'm only analyzing the chat or talking to you, it becomes easy for me to stay focused and stick to what I think is happening. That's exactly, I think, happening here. So now I can actually focus on the price action happening there and see, instead of putting so much stress on me. I would tell everyone, anyone's, my suggestion is, if you do not have big capital, build some big capital. Have some capital, not build, earn some, decent capital. Keep it with you. You take it, you earn, or you take it from your relatives or spouse, anyone. So keep that capital. Use only 5 to 10% of that capital in a day. So what happens is, even 50% stop loss, if you have that, that will not affect your other trades, right? That will not affect your psychology. So for example, I would say, like, I have 1 lakh rupee and I'm now deploying only 10k, right? So you can say that's probably 2 or 3 lots, depends on which day we are trading, right? So even 50% of that is 5,000 rupees, right? So even with that, I can take some trades close to 30 trades or something, right? So every trade cannot go wrong. That much I'll tell you. If you are having your stop loss 50%, not every trade goes wrong. And most of the trades would give you more than 50% profit. Okay, these 10-15% stop loss we keep, right? That actually, that rules our trading journal. So what happens there is, when the price action is when the volatility is more, the price action is more, and then you will see the stop loss getting hit, and then you don't know where to enter, which levels to enter. This happens with everyone, right? So we do not have the patience, you know quickly enter somewhere, and then you're deploying 50% of your capital. So in that case, even 10% loss is like, within Monday you're losing like 10% of your sorry like 5% of your total capital, right? That will actually, what happens is, you see literally going, your capital going down. You exit the trade. Even though the trade is correct, you will exit the trade. So instead of that, what I recommend is, go with the smaller quantities, or go with OTM in bigger quantities, and then try to enter the levels. I mean, people like me, there are so many people like me on internet who can, give you the levels. You don't need to worry about those levels. Also, you can sit calm and just see, okay, whatever levels now we are saying, if that makes sense, try to if you believe that, then try to take the trade there, and then sit calm for the rest of the day. If that stop loss is hit, if that didn't, then fine, you're making a profit, right? So that's a good thing. And never, sit for 50% loss and that 20% profit you exit. Don't do that. That's my no, highly recommended. Not just me, anyone would recommend that, right? So what happens there is, basically, our psychology is messed up, and when we take that 20% profit and exit, and you see the profit, you missed another 50% of the trade, right? What happens next time when you see, when really there is a need to exit at 20%, you would not exit, right? You would wait for that. Okay, you would wait for that, and you may end up exiting in a loss. So this is a very complicated thing. So without making it complicated, to keep it simple, what we can do is identify the levels, take the trades at the level, take with like I said, 5 or 10% of your total capital, take the trade, sit there like tensionless, tension free. Then by end of the day, you may either make it or lose it. That's okay, that's not a problem, right? So yesterday, I just to give you a glimpse of that, what happens. Day before yesterday was today is 13, right? Day before yesterday was 9th. Okay, on 9th, what I did on 9th was that I have taken a PE trade. I have taken PE somewhere, sorry, CE trade I have taken. Okay, I have taken the CE trade somewhere here. I thought from this, okay, let me just go there. I thought from here, somewhere here, the price may move up, and then I have taken the trade. Okay, no, here this place. I have taken the CE trade. The quantity was very low, and it was kind of little out of the money also, and my capital was very less, right? The money amount I have deployed was very less, and trust me, the price never went down from here. Okay, that's a different thing that I got it right. Luckily, I can say, or through my analysis, the levels I got it was very right. Okay, and then the market moved up. I have exited from here. So what exactly happened is, I have missed my profits. Then market, the price has no, till here it went, it came down somewhere here, I exited, and then the market has made a big move from here again, right? So I could have stayed till here, but I exited early because I thought I have missed the profit, so I have exited. So the thing is, even if I had made a loss of 50%, that wouldn't be like much of a difference to me. Okay, that's one thing that happened on 9th, and I'll tell you 12th what happened. So on 12th, similarly, I have taken a trade, C trade again. I've taken a CE trade here, this point, and have seen some profits here, and then there was this loss I started saying. So I have exited here, this point. So whatever profit I made on 9th, approximately 40% of that was this loss. Okay, so I don't know how that actually worked out for me. The loss was actually low than compared to the profit. And that's complicated, I don't know, but see, what I'm saying is, you believe in something, no, this trade is going to work, then you believe that, you take the trade and sit in that. It may go for a loss or for a profit, but all you have to do is like wait and see that. Okay, see, on 9th, the mistake I did was I exited early, and then but the profit, I could have made profit if I waited till here, right? So that's something. See, I have seen some of these traders, I have interacted with, what they do is, in the morning or in the afternoon, or sometime they take these trades. What they do is, they just they analyze the chart, they take the trade, and they deploy that amount, put it there, C or P, and then they just simply sit there and watch. Either they will make it or lose it. So when they make it, they make it big. When they lose it, 50% of that is gone. But what they, how much they make is like 150% they make. Okay, sometimes what happens is, 100 rupees option would go till 250 300 rupees. 50 rupees option would go to 150 rupees. These things happen. Okay, and when that happens, they are making a huge amount. But when they are losing 100 rupees option, they are exiting at 50%, right? 50 rupees they are exiting. So that's it, that trade is done for that day, and they're happy with that. So that's how it should be. I think everyone should trade like that, so that way Now the people we talk about 1% and 99%. I think the difference is this: this 1% people, they know their capital, they know how much to deploy, and then they trade and they sit there like patiently watch what will happen. That's exactly I think everyone has to do. We'll also see people deploying 20 lakhs, 15 lakhs, 20 lakhs, buying 18,000 quantity. All these things we see, and they make like every day 1.5, 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs. People make it, but they are they train themselves for that. So if you train yourself for that, then that's good. Again, we also do not know if that is their whole capital, or they have some 2-3 crores with them. So that's a thing we do not know, we are not sure, like, right? So we cannot see them and say, oh, 20 lakhs, if I put like 20 lakhs, and then I can make 4 lakhs in a day. You can also lose 4 lakhs in a day, right? So but if you're losing 4 lakhs, then you should have the capital to put that 4 lakhs in your next trade. That's how it should work. Otherwise your psychology will just go completely messed up. And also we have to know what we have to do is like do some analysis ourselves, previous day, and see it in different time frames. We can see there are some really good indicators. There are these trend lines, and there are these brackets, there are these Bollinger Bands, which we can use it for reference, and analyze, probably like predict which side the price may go. Okay, that's the best thing about these charts and indicators we have. We can predict, okay, we can think, okay, this way the market may go, right? So that's what we have to always focus on, educating ourselves, and doing the best we can without analyzing anything, solely depending on uh, depending on indicators on that day for intraday, or maybe depending on somebody giving you tips, that will not work for a longer period. That is 3:24. I'm just waiting it to be like 3 o'clock and then go have a coffee. And again, I feel it's my duty to tell you again that if you find it really useful, anything you learn from this entire session, please do consider subscribing to the channel, and support the channel to the UPI. So I need some support from you guys, for making things happen here, so that I can make it better quality for the channel, and continue this. So I really need your support, so please consider helping me, supporting the channel uh, in any way you can. So that's it, guys. My laptop charge is also very low. I cannot go out now, my daughters will catch hold of me. I will see how long my laptop runs. I have 9% battery left. We'll see. Let me see the options once for myself. So let's say the point where we have entered. What is that thing? It's 45,611, right? So let's assume 45,600. We'll see what is the option price then at that particular time and now. Okay, around 212. Okay, today is Nifty expiry, right? So okay, that's one more thing why The market is so dull. We'll see. Okay, around 212 it was around 168 rupees. Um, it went all the way up to, sorry, how much? 160. Now it went all the way till 260, and then again it went came close to like 160. Yeah, it is actually, it was near 160, the place where we entered, the same place, and then now again it is at 256. I don't know, 258 or something. So that's a decent, how much we can say, like 60, around 60-70% of the deployed amount, right? We got it. That's a good sign. So right now the price is from 324. Yeah, the time we discussed, right, the coffee thing. From that time, the price is, I mean, the option premium is the same level between 245 and 255. Though we see in chart the price is like, no, indices price is going down, and the option price is hardly moving. There is some movement now, right now. We'll see. Okay, that's some movement. Let's see if the option price goes till 306, because 306 is 200 EMA. There should be a quick momentum. If that happens, then it will go. We'll see. This will be interesting. Okay. Okay, there is some retrace. Okay. Look at this, guys. Many people wish they can do this, but no, if somebody would have bought here PE, that's around 160 rupees, and no, 220 where it was around 220, it was around 260. That's let's say 10,000 bucks they made. Okay, and I mean, assuming 100 quantities, and then they exit. It went till 280, but that's fine. So that's because we have to see the level there, right? So today the level was made, right? Okay, because of this level here. Okay, so exiting from here and then waiting till um, 258. That is around 240, 256, right? It went to that, back to the same place where we bought it earlier, again buying a P there. Oh, that's more than the capital no, you would deploy. So that's a good sign. No, that's not a sign, that's a good strategy to make money there, same trade, but you are making double the amount. That's a good thing. I guess there is some huge latency, so I'm sorry guys if there is any issue with quality of this thing, my video quality or something. It's purely because of internet. We'll see, we'll work on it, we'll try to solve this issue soon. Okay, well then it's 3:30. The market is closed, and though we are not able to reach the target, I'm happy to say that we have gone till almost close to target. That's a good sign. So hope you have taken C or P, whichever you have taken today. I just came around 210, but if anyone has traded before that and made some profit, congratulations. If it's